guys! And we are Baby Billy! So ngayon guys, magpapakilala muna tayo.
Hi, my name is Charmaine. Hi, my name is Yana.
Hi, my name is Rowan.
Hi, I'm Biniche and I'm the leader of this group. Go.
So, alam niyo na ba na hindi na kami nakakapag-vlog last year pa, di ba guys?
Yes. Okay, ngayon, ang lalaruin namin ay Guess the Flag. Okay, so let's do this.
And we eat.
Let's go.
Kunin mo na yung
Get ready to guess and learn the names of 150 countries by their flags.
Kukunin natin
Yung pagkain. Wait lang.
Hindi.
Wait lang guys.
Kukunin natin yung ano kaya, ano.
Yan.
Ito, panyo. Kukunin natin kung sino nakakuha una, yun yung sasabi ng flag. Okay. So,
Vlog.
let's go. Okay.
Wala pa.
Before starting, please subscribe to the Quiz Blitz channel
Wala
for more exciting
wala
quizzes.
ka muna. Huwag kayo maingay ako. Ayan na.
You got this. It's the easy level.
Gusto mo naman.
First question.
China! Huwag kayo sasagot ako nga nakakuha eh. Okay, next one. South Korea! Ako nga sasagot eh. Hindi kayo nakakuha eh. Okay, South Korea. Okay, next.